What you doing?
Crikey! Don't do that.
Sorry, would you like me to wear a bell?
No. Try using the door.
Boring.
Anyway, to answer your question, I'm looking through my old line drawings.
Can I have a look?
No.
Why not? You embarrassed? Well, I wouldn't be calling any art galleries just yet.
They're not meant to be shown. Art is cathartic. It's personal. It's expressive. It's a release from the everyday drudgery and stress of life.
Yeah, well, Mr. Stresshead, you're going to need something bigger than a piece of paper.
Aristotle is quoted as saying, "The aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance." Saype l'artiste, or in Australian, Saype the artist, is the self-taught artist from Belfort, France, who is famed for paintings that you couldn't display on a wall. Well, maybe the Great Wall of China. Back in 2012, he was still painting black and white scenes in the subways. The democratisation of drones in Europe gave him access to aerial views. He then began to paint on grass. His first work in nature, L'amour, was created in 2015. The French Alps was his canvas, and it was, at the time, the largest fresco on grass in the world. And since then, he has broken this 1,200 square metre record many times. In 2018, Saype joined forces with the SOS Méditerranée and created the Message from Future fresco near the United Nations office at Geneva. In 2019, Saype launched their Beyond Wall project, which aims to connect the 5 continents through the largest symbolic human chain in the world. Over several years, it aims to pass in more than 30 cities in the world to invite people to mutual aid, kindness, and to live together. Between 2019 and 2020, more than a dozen cities became associated with this project. In 2021 and 2022, Saype painted in front of the headquarters of the United Nations in New York, Geneva and Nairobi on the occasion of the organisation's 75th anniversary. World in Progress is described as a message of hope, depicting the creation of an ideal world imagined by 2 children. Commissioned by the Swiss watchmaker Swatch, this year he travelled to a breathtaking location in Kenya. With 600 kilograms of pigments and tools brought from Europe, Saype and his team had a 2-day drive from Nairobi to reach this incredible, almost lunar landscape which became his canvas. This was no easy task, as the elements weren't kind. Due to inclement weather, no sooner than the artist had finished this monumental work, unseasonal rain moved in over the area and washed away the frescoes. But, unperturbed by the setback, he began again and repainted his artworks. I think the French colourist painter Henri Matisse was envisioning someone like Saype when he said that creativity takes courage. Moonswatch, as it is known, depicts two children with a sense of wonder and curiosity towards the mysteries of the universe and dreaming of space travel. The young girl, more conscious of the universe around her, covers 7,200 square metres or 77,500 feet. The young boy, torchlight pointing at the heavens, is 6,000 square metres or 64,580 feet in total. If you were lucky enough to go to the beach as a child, did you ever draw pictures in the sand? Or maybe collect little pebbles or shells to make a pattern? The urge to use the blank canvas of a beach is irresistible, almost instinctual to children. Jon Foreman is no longer a child, but his urge to draw in the sand at the beach seems to be not only irresistible, but his calling in life. He creates various styles of land art using different mediums such as stones and leaves, inland or on the beaches. He's even used materials such as broken glass, ashes and general debris in derelict environments. His artistic ability and love and appreciation of the natural world and his surroundings emanates from every one of his works. Pembrokeshire, a county in the southwest of Wales in the UK where Jon grew up, is the perfect place to find a canvas for the incredible designs and patterns that come from this humble but creative Welshman. And the Pembrokeshire coastline has some of the most beautiful beaches in all of Wales. Using nothing more than a garden rake and a piece of string, Foreman creates intricate symmetrical designs to such a scale that you need to get airborne to appreciate the true nature of his work, some of them spanning 100 metres across. Of course, not many artists have their creative endeavour disappear not long after they've finished their masterpiece, but Jon's okay with that. He quite enjoys watching the sea take back nature's canvas. Sometimes when the tide comes in, it looks like his work is actually appearing on the beach from under the waves. Besides, all artists begin a piece with a new canvas, and Jon will be back tomorrow to start a new piece on a fresh canvas, prepared by Mother Nature herself.
G'day, folks. Links, yourself, family, planet. Now, I want you to subscribe, like, comment, and share.